Hello and welcome to another episode of Salty Mechanics. I am so happy that you are watching. This is the channel where you get to see what it's like to work as a mechanic on the docks. And this time we are cleaning the office and crashing the drone. Yes, let's just roll the intro. Let's go. Good morning. I am just as, tired as I look. I had to get up 6 o'clock. It takes about 35-40 minutes to drive, so being here at this hour is pretty good. But, I'm looking around and wherever I look, it's kind of messy. Customers are supposed to be able to sit there. Obviously not now since we have the pandemic still hanging over us, but anyway, it shouldn't look like this. And this is my workbench, and it's not possible to work there right now. Yeah, there's a few pillows and a backpack, and here we have what looks like an island of shit. I'm not sure, but there might be people living underneath all this crap. I have to clean the toilet and the sink and all of that because it's been way too long. So all right, let's just do it. Do you guys want to clean the toilet? Yeah. Disgusting. All right, let's throw this away. If you want more of this, then you can write in the comment section and just say yes. This reminds me of the army. I used to get up early in the morning and clean toilets, and I was like, I don't care what you want me to do, man. If you want me to scrub floors or clean toilets, I'm your guy.
Vakna, vad fan!
Oh no, I think I just crashed the drone. Well, I don't think, I know I did, and it might be in the water. All right, so I think maybe I hit the barbed wire right there. And yeah, I see it. I see it. Oh my God. That's pretty close to the water. So, the drone looks intact. I mean, I can see the camera is moving around. I'm missing some propellers, but that's no problem because a couple episodes back I actually bought some propellers. That's good. I'm missing a piece here, and I definitely need to fix this loose part, but I think it's working. Alright, I think I did something stupid. Because you see, all the propellers are moving around the way they're supposed to. But this one, I think maybe I managed to glue it stuck. So I can't move it around. I don't know. Or maybe it happened in the crash. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try to fix it. I can see there's a little bit of glue here. So let's see if we can make it rotate again. I actually think it works. So we are supposed to put this boat on water in not too much time, but the owner didn't really take good care of it, and now, you know, there's been a lot of water in it, and now all that water has turned to ice. So we've been working on this for a little bit now, trying to remove all the ice so that it's not going to be too heavy. Is it okay to move?
Yeah, sounds good to move.
Okay. So now Tom and I, we are basically just moving this boat for a customer, and he's gonna come and pick it up later. And you know, it's just one of those chill jobs.
Jeg er ikke sikker på om jeg kommer ut der.
Nei, jeg tror ikke du gjør det, skjønner du. Så jeg tror det var lurt å legge den her.
Ja. Super.
Jeg skal lage outro.
Skal du sitte med en toalettbørste i hånda?
Ja.
Sitter som du skal lage outro.
Yes.
Ja. Det er fint det.
Veldig bra. All right, everybody, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Now, if you like what you see, remember to hit that like button. I'm sure you can find it. All right, see you next time, guys. I can't really make these transitions work. What's up with that?